Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLakeDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel? If not, click the little blue button right there.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
All right, so first thing we're going to talk about is makeup. Like, I know I don't talk about that. That's not this channel, right? Like, I'm not a makeup girl. I'm not a makeup tutorial girl or anything like that, but I'm not a makeup fan. I have to wear it in certain occasions, and I put it on today, and I'll tell you why. So for certain occasions, you gotta kind of put on the best face, right? Right? Like, I'm totally against it though. Like, on a normal day, I don't wear this crap. But since I've been going to work now in an office, I gotta do something, right? I gotta do something. And when Victoria and I were out on the All City garage sale, I bought that NYX Total Control Drops foundation, which I'm like, oh, it's probably gonna be cakey like every other foundation. Y'all, okay. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm not sponsored, none of that. I'm not selling you. But oh my God, it's so nice. Like, I have a foundation brush now. My daughter tells me you gotta have a brush now. You don't do sponges, you got a brush. You got a brush. Which actually feels really nice on your skin, so I don't mind the brush. But you just drop the stuff on your skin, evidently. Victoria's like, you just drop it, So I just dropped it, and then you brush it around, right? It's so soft and light, and it doesn't feel like there's anything on my face, but I can tell there's stuff on my face because stuff is covered. And I was sitting there thinking, this stuff's got to be super duper expensive. I think I got lucky because it was like $3 at this garage sale. There was somebody who bought those palettes and got this in her palettes, and she had a lot of Target stuff. So they sell it at Target. NYX Professional. I think they sell it at Walgreens too. I don't know. I'll have to check that out. But I looked it up at Target today to see how much it was. $14. I'm like, shut up. Like, I pay $40. So good. So anyway, done. So I get in my car. You can see I've got stuff loaded in this car. And I get in the car and I go to turn it on, and my brain is going, something's wrong. Something's wrong. And it just kept hollering at me, something's wrong, something's wrong. I was like, I don't know, it feels wrong, I feel wrong. Almost left without my keys again. So now they're attached to Victoria's keys. She's gonna be upset about that. She doesn't like the fact that all my keys are like, I look like a janitor attached to her damn keychain. So I got too many keys. Got a lot of buildings to get into. What can I say? I'm kind of like a janitor that way. But I'm going to pick it, and I'm going to spend the whole day there working on my booths, and then go to Vintage Junkie and drop off some shirts. Now Saturday is Vintage Junkie's guest vendor day, and the 2 vendors that dropped out, and I was going to put up a table. And then I remembered my nephew owns Whiskey Woodsmithing, and he's got a bunch of projects that he says he's trying to clear out before they move. And I'm like, okay, you know what? Get them ready. I'm going to be there with Max tomorrow. Let's grab them. I'll grab them, and I'll take them and sell them for you. So I'm going to take what I can of his stuff, so they'll have a 3rd vendor there, and that'll be good. That'll be better than having just 2 vendors and me. I have to see if I can get my other car shade. It needs brakes, but it's like it has brakes. Just, you gotta give yourself extra stopping distance. My husband keeps saying he's gonna do it, and he doesn't do it. And I'm like, I need that car. And I can't move my van because the robins made a nest on the tire. And there are babies in there, and I can't do it. I can't kill the babies, guys. I can't move the babies. I can't kill the babies. So in a couple weeks, when the babies are gone, we're going to be loading that thing for junk bonanza. Yeah, it's that time again. September. They gave me the bill yesterday. I was like, damn, I don't have the money. Kind of forgot it was coming. It's all right. It's all right. Gotta pay it. I'll pay it. I'll pay it. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. $375 I just gotta come up with. I'm gonna pull it out of my butt somewhere and pay the bill. I got a note from Katie saying this yesterday, so that was nice to know. But side porch we can have 4 items on, and Lee's booth, that's the booth that I want to move into if she ever decides to leave. She's in the hospital, so her booth is available this month to put items in. I'm gonna go upstairs and see what I need to do. I almost forgot, Fred brought me religious stuff. I gotta give him 20 bucks. Sorry, Fred, I forgot your 20 bucks. Look at all that goodies. Oh, nice, thank you. I'm gonna move some wall hangings over here. Otherwise, I kind of redid this whole booth last month and it doesn't need much. Like, I've restocked it. There's a few little pieces that need to be put in. Other than that, not bad. I'm gonna take this next door because people were being mean to it. When I grab the memory chip here. The chip from the camera, I wanna see who did it. Because, yeah, it's not cool. That's not cool. So I'm going to take this next door, and I think the, well, let's go next door and see what we've got to do first. I got a bunch of stuff that needs to go on the porch, obviously. So the spinning wheel can either be next door or stay right where it is. I've got another table coming in. Let's just do. I'm gonna grab the ironing board and magnets, and we're gonna take that next door. This booth is way more chaotic. I moved some of my outdoor stuff over here. I want to get some new stuff in here. I think I'm gonna take this table next door. I don't know. It's gonna come together though, right? Right? I'm not sure I love it, but I moved all that up there and cleaned off this wall. I think that's gonna go next door. I think that's gonna probably stay there. This is gonna come out and go to the porch, and then the coffee table, the chicken brooder coffee table will go there, I think. Let's try it. I think I'm gonna put the fur coat right there. So I'm gonna have to move that out, which it's just, you know, it's just a light. It just lights things up. Ugh. Taking a quick break. Oh, I got the mannequin in place. I put the coffee table behind me here and stacked a chair on top of it. I just need a break. I forgot my water. I forgot a lot of stuff, and that's not good because I literally have today. I'll be here for part of the day tomorrow, and I have a ton of stuff that I have to do for Saturday now because I'm apparently a vendor at Vintage Junkies, guest vendor for my nephew, which I'll do it for him. You know, it was either that or I'm going to put up a table, but he's got nice stuff and he's trying to get rid of it, so let's do it. This is why I drink. The worst part is I don't. Oh my goodness. It's just a hot mess right now. And I'm trying to decide what goes next door, what goes on the porch, what I'm gonna do. I mean, there's still a porch space to do. I can put stuff in the yard too. There's always the yard and the side porch, and I put a few things over there already. I gotta get a water. I gotta get a water. Wondered if that should go next door instead of upstairs. I don't remember what next door looked like. Let me check. Okay, y'all. I'm leaving, and I forgot to take pictures or videos of anything because I started talking to the OG, and then I nearly got scammed. Telephone scam, and that's why I had to call the OG and tell him I was sorry, because the other day he got scammed and I was mad at him. And I nearly got scammed today. And I was like, oh man, I'm so sorry, Dad. They're getting really savvy on these scams, and my phone usually catches scam calls, and then this one, it got me. It got me. So anyway, so I was talking to him, and then a bunch of other picket fence gals showed up, and I was like, okay, I'm done. So I got the upstairs booth. I just hung some new pictures up there, and then tomorrow I got to come back and do the porch. I can show you guys everything then. It's lunchtime. I didn't spend nearly enough time doing stuff, but I did enough. I just have to forgive myself for not being able to just redo the whole thing. I can't. I just can't today. I can't do it this week. I've just got too much going on, and it's going to be what it is. And the sale's still going to go on, and it'll still be good, and I'll still make money, and that's the way it is. Anyway, I'm going to go get some lunch, and I'm going to go to Vintage Junkie, and then I'm going to pick up my child. She's been with a friend. She's this lady. Okay. She's trimming the verge, and she's just going at it with a hand clipper. Like, holy crap. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get some lunch. We'll talk later. Home a couple hours ago, and we had dinner, and now I'm going through my inventory trying to find stuff together. Get together to go to Vintage Junkie this weekend and fill in for people. Okay, so right now I'm washing those old Afghans. So remember I picked up like the turquoise and the like brown and gold, like a harvest gold kind of Afghan when I was in Richmond. And I'm debating whether I'm going to dip into some of my junk bonanza stash. I might. I don't know. I don't know. I'll have to see what I'm picking up tomorrow for my nephew's business. He does a lot of woodworking, really nice pieces, so hopefully he's got a lot. They're moving, and he wants to like downsize his inventory so he doesn't have to pack it all and move, and I get that. So it's like, I don't know what he'll give me. I have no idea. So it's the unknown that makes it hard. Oh my gosh. See, I still have to wear this because of the sun, but whatever. It's not even hot. Like, it finally cooled down, y'all. Finally, it was a nice day, like a nice day, like a gorgeous day. And tomorrow is supposed to be more of the same, so yay, because I'm gonna have to load all that stuff up, get that all packed, plus some of my stuff, plus the tables, plus everything that's gonna have to go on Saturday. I love last minute crap like that. Love it. Let's do it. Bring it on. But then after watching my nephew, I will go to pick it and do the porch, and then finish packing everything. For Saturday morning, I'm going to be there at 7:30 because that's when the first guest vendor says she's going to arrive. She'd like extra time to set up. And I said, that's fine. The alley's open, and I want to make sure I can open the door for her. So if she needs to use the bathroom or have a coffee or whatever, it's open for her. So I will be there at 7:30 Saturday morning to help her set up my stuff, set up my nephew's stuff. And this is happening. Whether we want it to or not, it's happening. So it's going to be great. I don't even remember what my booth looked like at this point. I'm like, what did I put in there? Wish I had taken the video. I was sitting there and I was trying to, while I was going through the stuff in the garage and pulling out pieces from the All City sale. I was sitting there going, do I need this month? Should I put this in this month? Like I have the antlers and stuff, and I don't know if I should take those to Vintage Junkies for the Vintage Junkie for the outdoor sale. You know what? I could take it, and then if it doesn't sell, I could put it in the booth, right? So maybe I'll do that. Decisions. I'm going to have to make decisions. Like, I'm just going to have to go with what I've got, right? So, anyway, so I got a bunch of stuff, I think, earmarked. I'm going to have to price them. They're not even priced. I mean, I'm just going to have to stay up and get it done. So, that's the nature of the beast. We're going to get it done. It's going to be great. It's going to be a great day. Saturday's going to be awesome. Whether we want it to or not, right? It's like, and I heard it's supposed to be nice, which is fantastic because my biggest thing is like the heat. I can't take 200 degrees while I'm sitting outside. I shouldn't even be sitting outside anyway, but I've got my SPF jacket. So I'll be out there with the SPF and an umbrella if I need it. I have a pop-up, but I don't think it's big enough for like 2 booths. So for my nephew's booth and then my booth or my space, I saw Katie today, my friend Katie, and she's like on it. She called her sister to make some earrings, and she's going to try and bring some stuff up too. So God bless her for jumping in like that and helping out. I really appreciate it. It's just fantastic. I didn't expect it, and I'm just so grateful to her for doing that. It's just amazing. But that's going to be it for today, folks. So thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.